Welcome to this tutorial. Here we are going to fix BD2 Tecno BD2 LCD. Some of the LCD has a separate touchpad, especially those ones. But some of the new LCD doesn't have separate touchpad. But this particular one has not been used before. As you can see, the warranty paper on the note here. But funny enough, the touchpad has been changed. So the guy that changed the touchpad did not lose the back of the phone. You only open the screen, then separate the touchpad and fix the new touchpad from the screen. Now I have to lose the nuts, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. And then one thing we observe in this part of the world now, phones are expensive owing to the exchange rate for dollar. So most for old phones which people already dropped, they are bringing it back for repairs. Check very well if you have removed all the nuts before you open this back. This is an iron, you have to be careful. Open it. I don't have business for the up because the only thing I want to unclip here is the flex that comes to charging flex or the dumb board. So that I can have enough room to solder the new touch. As I said earlier, here I'm not changing the LCD, but rather I'm changing the touch to correct that statement. The course is a nice course because it will be hard for you to see why you did this kind of a thing. And what I want to tell you now, most of the work people do is just changing everything, change the download, the battery, even the more they can change. So if you learn how to change, you are good to go. So you must not fix IC. There are some people that specialize in fixing IC, and this is the easiest and most lucrative for now because people keep on breaking the screen of their phone. If you mistakenly hit your phone on hard objects, the LCD will break. This has not been opened before, so you have to be careful while you're opening it. Make sure you don't break it. Anyhow you Follow any method you follow and open it. Make sure you don't break it. You don't break the charging flex or downboard cover, because some of these things they don't even sell it in the market. So if you break it, I mean soup on it. So we have opened it. So let's unclip the flash. That's what we want to do here. Let's use our razor blade and open it. It's not all that strong because it has been changed before. Otherwise, have to apply more precautions, more carefulness. Otherwise, you will break the screen. And remember, what we want to change here is the digital touch only, not together with the screen. This is just a letter, and I'm using it here to open the screen because that cannot break screen because it's not hard, it's very soft. So I've opened the touchpad, the digital touchpad. What remains is to remove it and fix a new one. I've seen some of this video on YouTube. What you see most is edited video. You don't see a raw video this way, and it will look easy and simple when the video has been edited. This is the real video you're supposed to watch. This is the real course you're supposed to share with your friends. Anyone that is interested to do it on his own or to do it for others. Our screen is still in order, so I've done a very good and nice job. Gradually continue drawing it because of gum, and boom. So I'm done removing it. What we do is to replace our touch and we are good to go. Good. So we can easily replace touch now. So that is it. Check other video, you see how to replace touch. Bye for now.